What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Jasmy, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so you're going to want to make sure that you stay clear till the very end of this video because I am doing analysis on Bitcoin and the total cryptocurrency market cap. But before we do that, let's go ahead and talk about Jasmy, which is the coin that today's video is about. So here on the bottom, we have Bitcoin, and up here on the top, we have Jasmy. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because basically the way these accumulation patterns work in crypto. So a lot of times in crypto, when you have a new cycle starting, basically what happens is the old cycle has a bear market, so it goes down, and then it goes sideways as it bottoms out in that bear market, and then when the market starts to go back up into a bull market, it basically has to build up momentum. And in order to do that, it makes this kind of stepping stair or staircase kind of stepping type of price action, where the price goes up and pulls back down, then goes up and pulls back down, kind of almost like a staircase. And that's very, very, very common for crypto, for when we're doing these reversals, to have that staircase kind of structure as the market builds its momentum and starts its new bull market. So that's exactly what we see here on Bitcoin here on the bottom. You can see the bear market happens, price goes down quite a bit, then price goes sideways here, and then it bottoms out and it starts to staircase, basically stair step along the way up, as it's building momentum, as it's building strength and momentum to break out into the new bull market, which you can see that's what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin broke out into a new bull market. So it's really, really, really common to see that kind of structure in crypto. That's exactly what we see up here with Jasmy. We have the bear market, we have the correction, prices go down, and then you can see they go sideways for quite some time here. Then they start to build up momentum again. And when they build that momentum up, you can see it's staircase stepping along the way up. It's literally making little steps like a stairway as it's building momentum, getting ready to break out. And I think Jasmy is headed into a big bull market very soon. I love this setup. I love the structure in this market. Everything looks really ready for us to break out above this local resistance level and even start to break out into a bull market in the bigger picture. So this looks super, super good here with Jasmy. Loving this setup. I really believe we will get a big bullish move here with Jasmy. So really, really liking this setup on Jasmy. The other thing, you guys, whenever you get a big, big retracement in value like this, where the price goes down really, really hard, and then you get sideways action and consistent volume at the bottom of that, that's another really, really good sign. In other words, if the market goes down really, really hard, and then it goes sideways for quite a long time, but there's consistent volume while the market's going sideways. In other words, the market had a bear market and now it's going sideways. It's accumulating, and there's consistent volume throughout that accumulation process. That's a really, really good sign. That's exactly what we see here with Jasmy. You can see price goes down and then it goes sideways. And while it's going sideways here, there's just consistent, steady volume, steady accumulation, steady volume. People buying this coin and accumulating it while the prices are dirt cheap down here, getting ready for a new cycle, a new breakout to happen, and a new impulsive bullish move to come in this coin. So I really like that type of structure here on Jasmy, where we crash, we go sideways, but while we're going sideways, we have consistent trading volume. So yeah, really liking this setup here with Jasmy, really liking the setup quite a bit. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking really good. As you can see, we had a strong reaction off of this support level at around 53,000. You can see we have this horizontal support level right here, which coincides with this level right here. We came down to that horizontal support level and we had a very strong reaction off of that level. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin here. This is exactly what I wanted to see have happen. I wanted to have an ABC correction happen that would bring Bitcoin back to around 50,000 per coin before it went higher. That's exactly what happened. And I really like this setup here with Bitcoin, because I personally think even if we pull back slightly here in the short term, maybe down to 60K again, I personally think Bitcoin's going to keep pushing up here and break out and see more upside continuation. So I really like this setup on Bitcoin with the ABC correction happening as planned. Go back and watch my previous videos a few weeks ago where I was showing Bitcoin compared to gold and how Bitcoin was probably going to pull back to 50K. That's exactly what happened. And it looks really good. It looks phenomenally good here. Looks really ready to maybe pull back a little bit in the short term, but in the bigger picture, it looks really ready to break out and to see a strong recovery and more upside continuation. Bitcoin is in a bull market, and you don't want to try to fight that trend. The dips are really good opportunities for buying. So yeah, really like this setup on Bitcoin. ABC correction just exactly as planned. I do think we will see a recovery. So let's talk a little bit about the total crypto market cap, because the total crypto market cap also looks really good. I really like the setup here with the total crypto market cap. We have this downward facing channel, and we saw a strong reaction off of the support level of this channel. Now I wouldn't be surprised for us to pull back close to the center of the channel and then start to push up through. So maybe a tiny pullback in the short term, but then I expect us to push up through the resistance of this channel and for us to break out and actually for us to see more upside, for us to start to head back up towards this previous all-time high, push up through that level, and really see more upside continuation with the crypto total market cap. So really liking this setup here with the crypto total market cap. We also have this bull flag. You can see price goes up, then it goes down in this channel. So that's a perfect bull flag structure here, and a really good sign here for the crypto total market cap. And it's a very good, strong, bullish trading pattern that plays out most of the time. So especially if we break the resistance of this channel, that confirms this pattern and really gives it the green light go. But this pattern is a very bullish pattern, very common, and plays out most of the time. So I do think we will break out, and I really do think the total crypto market cap will see more upside continuation and we'll make a whole bunch of money as the markets continue to break out and continue to see more upside. So I'm loving the setup here with the total crypto market cap, loving the setup on Bitcoin, and loving the setup on Jasmy. Super, super excited about the crypto markets as a whole. There's just stupid amounts of money to be made. So I hope you guys are going to be here with me along the journey, riding through this bull market, making a bunch of money, and really just capitalizing on all of these moves in crypto. So loving the setup here in the total market cap, loving it with Bitcoin, and loving it with Jasmy. Also, you guys, check out the VIP link in the description box below. Get started with the VIP community and start earning money along with us every single day in the VIP community. We post a little bit bigger signals, like we're going for the big moves to make the most money as we possibly can. So those signals that we're trading in time frames where we're able to take a trade and then 2 weeks later be in significant profit, or even sometimes we're trading over the period of a year or a couple years. But we're really targeting those bigger moves like this, or even a move like this where we pulled back a little bit. We were shorting the market throughout that period. We made a lot of money shorting the market. But we're really focused on those bigger moves, like a breakout of this flag where we get all this upside movement here. We're focused on those bigger swings because that's where you make the most money. And yeah, so check out the VIP link in the description box below. And I will see you guys in future videos. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.